Ever wondered how ChatGPT actually understands your questions? The secret lies in something called transformers. In this video, we're breaking down the genius technology that powers every major A model today. Transformers are neural networks that revolutionized A in 2017. Unlike older systems that process text word by word, transformers analyze entire sentences at once. This parallel processing makes them incredibly fast and accurate. Think of them as having superpowers for understanding context and relationships between words in any sentence. The heart of transformers is something called attention. Imagine reading a sentence your brain focuses on the most important words first. Attention works similarly. It weighs which words matter most when understanding each other. This lets the eye decide which parts of text are crucial, making comprehension much smarter than before. ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini are all built on transformer architecture. By stacking these attention layers and adding billions of parameters, transformers became large language models. LLMs train on massive text datasets, learning patterns, grammar, and knowledge. The result? AI systems that can write, reason, and chat naturally with humans. Understanding transformers helps you grasp how modern AI actually works, not magic. It's math and clever engineering. This knowledge empowers you to use AI better and think critically about its capabilities and limitations. Transformers shaped our entire AI landscape today. Did this finally make Transformers click? By finally like this video, subscribe for more A concepts explained simply, and drop a comment telling us what A topic confused you most.